Hey guys, I'm back with another video. So I've been on the lookout for a monitor recently. I wanted something that had USB-C connection so that you can connect to a laptop and 4K. So I came across this new Dell S2722QC and decided to give it a go. The box and packaging is pretty simple. Comes with your usual instruction manual, and it also comes with a USB-C to a USB-C cable, which is compatible with DisplayPort 1.4 and the power cable for your region. The stand it comes with is height and tilt adjustable, and the base is screwed in with a D-link. These are the ports at the bottom of the monitor. Note that there's only 2 HDMI ports, so make sure your GPU has a spare HDMI port remaining. If you want to use a DisplayPort, you'll need an adapter with the USB-C connection. The back has a nice textured finish and not prone to fingerprints. Viewing angles are great. Right now it's connected to my XPS 15 via USB-C to USB-C. So it's powering the laptop as well as being used as an extended display. The monitor does come with a pair of speakers. They're not great, but they're better than nothing. Colors on the other hand are fantastic, and even upon closer inspection, you can't make out any of the pixels at 27 inches. The bottom of the monitor comes with a spare USB 3.2 Gen 1 for charging and extra storage. And now we have a comparison with my current monitor, the S2721DGF. It's a gaming monitor with Quad HD resolution, and the MSRP that you see here on the screen is not the price I paid. Dell monitors are notorious for always being on sale, and I got both these monitors for very close to half the MSRP, and I highly recommend waiting for a sale before purchasing one. That said though, they're both great monitors. For the S2722QC, I would highly recommend it if you want a 4K monitor with great colors, and you can use the USB-C cable to reduce the clutter on your desk. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.